Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to install Raspberry Pi on your Android phone. Now, I previously made a video on how to do this, but that video supported only 32-bit operating systems. But in this video I'm going to show you how to install Raspberry Pi on both 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems. So please make sure you watch this video till the end to see how this works so that you do not miss any part of the video. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, we upload videos on Linux tutorials, ethical hacking and programming. If you're interested in this niche, please click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when we upload a new video. And without wasting much of your time, let us get to the video. So welcome back everyone. After installing Thermos, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to update our Thermos repository. To do that, you're going to use the pkg update command. Okay, now after updating your repository, you're going to install Peru distro as usual. So you install Peru distro with the command pkg install Peru distro, and after Peru distro has been installed, you're going to enter the command shown on your screen right now. This command is going to open up a nano editor that is going to let us customize a Raspberry Pi OS installation script on Peru distro. Okay, so you're going to paste this script in that window. I am going to be pasting this script in the description below, so you copy it from there. Okay, after pasting the script, you're going to save it by clicking on Ctrl X on your keyboard. Okay, and that is going to save the script. Now that the script has been saved, you're going to install Raspberry Pi by using the command Peru distro install Raspbian. Okay, and that is going to install Raspberry Pi. Once it is installed, you're going to log in with the command Peru distro login Raspbian. Alright, that command is going to log you into Raspberry Pi. Now that you're logged in, the first thing you're going to do is you can choose to customize your local host by using the command shown on your screen right now. You're going to remove the bash rc file, then you're going to copy in a new bash rc file from the etc/scale directory. Okay, and after doing that, you're going to log out. All right, and then you're going to log into Raspberry Pi again, and you're going to see that the logo is going to change from the white color to the green color, and now you can now update your repository. Use the apt update command to update your repository, and after updating your repository, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the necessary packages for the XFCE E4 GUI. Do that with the command I just pasted. I'm going to be pasting this command in the description, and after that we're going to remove GVFS daemon and we're going to hold UDisk2. Do that with the command shown on your screen right now. I'm going to be pasting all of these commands in the description below. And the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to install wallpapers for Raspberry Pi. To do that, you're going to install Git, and after installing Git, you're going to paste these commands showing on your screen right now, and I'm going to be pasting the commands in the description below, so you can just easily copy it from there. Okay, and that is going to install in wallpapers. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to create a custom command for logging into our VNC server. You're going to do that with the command shown on your screen right now. Okay, and then we're going to give the command executable permission also, so that it can execute when we enter it. So you're going to do that with the chmod +x command, and that is going to give it executable permission. So you're going to enter this command and you're going to click on enter. Okay, now that is done, to start VNC server, you're going to use the command server. Okay, so every time you want to log into VNC server, you're going to use the server command. So if you're entering it for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter a password. Enter a password you can easily remember, because that password will be needed to log into your VNC server. Okay, so launch your NetHunter Kex application or your VNC viewer, whichever application it is that you're using. As for me, I'm using NetHunter Kex. Okay, in the VNC connection setting, make sure you enter localhost 1, which means we are connecting to the local host and we're connecting to the server 1. Okay, and then here in the VNC password, okay, enter the password you created earlier in your VNC. Okay, as for me, I used 123456 because it is an easy password to remember. And after that, you're going to click on connect and make sure your connection type is the basic VNC. Okay, and as you can see, because Raspberry Pi is a Debian based distro, we have Debian wallpaper as the default wallpaper. So to change the wallpaper, you're going to right click on your terminal, and then you're going to click on the folder icon and you're going to locate background in the share folder. Okay, you're going to click on the shared folder and you're going to locate backgrounds. right there, there it is, background. So you're going to click on backgrounds, and then you're going to click on beds wallpaper. Okay, and now you're going to click on open, and that is going to open the wallpapers we downloaded earlier. Okay, so from here you can choose from the wallpapers we have here. So I'm just going to choose this one because I prefer this, and I do not like the light, the light theme that we have. So to change your GUI theme, click on settings and click on appearance, and in the style I want it to be dark, so I'm going to choose the Adwaita dark, and in the icons I'm going to choose Adwaita also. So that is how you change your theme. And also I would like to make some changes to the panel, so I'm going to be doing that right now. If you know that you do not really care about the interface, you can just skip to the next part of the video, which is the important aspect. But if you want to know how to change your panel, you can just easily watch this and grab an idea of how to customize your channel, your panel, and customize it to your own taste. Okay, so I'm going to pause the recording now because I do not want to record all of this. All right. So that is a little bit on the panel customization. The internet and everything is working, and to be sure we install the right version of Raspberry Pi, we're going to run a simple new fetch command on our terminal. All right, so you're going to type the command new fetch. Okay, and as you can see, we have the Raspbian Bullseye version, okay, which is the version 11, which is based on Debian's Bullseye. Okay, so that is it. And to the most important aspect, I always mention this in all of my videos, please always make sure you kill your VNC server. Okay, when you're done working on your operating system, kill your VNC server. To kill your VNC server, use the command VNC server -kill ratio 1. It is going to kill the ratio 1. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.